Well, hi there. My name is Deanna Fenton. I want to welcome you to this series of short videos on getting started with Kajabi. Now, I have been in the marketing and technology biz for longer than I want to admit, but I just want to tell you briefly kind of my Kajabi story. So, I've been a WordPress website developer since 2004. I had an agency, I had developers working for me, and we've built a lot of WordPress sites. Well, in 2015, I heard about this new tool called Kajabi. Now, of course, if I wanted to create a course platform or a membership platform, at that time, there were tools out there, not a lot, but there were tools out there to do it. But I was intrigued by the concept of Kajabi's vision of being an all-in-one platform. So I went ahead and signed up for it right then and there during their beta launch and became what is known as a Kajabi founder. Well, I have to tell you, I will admit there was a learning curve. Even as somebody who had been in technology for all those years, it was challenging. And a lot of the challenges that I found were kind of related to terminology and learning a different style of working. So my goal for you is to give you some videos here, and these are not lessons that Kajabi is going to teach you. The lessons I'm going to teach you is how to create a more effective and organized workflow for yourself so that when you get into Kajabi, it's going to be so much easier for you to, one, understand, two, have a vision of what you're trying to create, and three, know how to do it. So I have set up this series of short videos for you. You can binge watch them Netflix style, because I know that's the style for most of us these days. Like, let me just grab an hour where I can watch all these videos one after the other. Or you could take your time and always come back to that any particular video that either you missed or you want to have a recap. Now, some of you that may have already gotten started, some of the initial videos might be, sort of a refresher for you. You may have already known this information, but I really encourage you to follow along in terms of how I teach you to navigate the Kajabi dashboard, how to organize your files to make a more effective and quicker workflow for yourself, and also some ideas about how you can get started as fast as possible and have a clear roadmap of what you want to create. So come along and join me. I would love to hear from you. So if you have any questions or any other additional comments, you can always reach me at deannafenton.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Take care.